excited. Hello you guys, and welcome back to my car. In this video today, we are gonna be going hunting for Halloween at Walmart. I have a feeling in my soul that there's a lot of Halloween stuff out at Walmart, and I wanna go check it out and see what it is and take you around to go shop with me. So we're gonna be exploring the Halloween aisles, whatever they have out for fall, food stuff, whatever, and also some beauty items. Hopefully they have some more of these kiss nails because I just found the one set so far and I need more, and every year they're so beautiful. So I'll check out that and we'll show you the goods, we'll show you what's up, and if you're ready to go along with me, then let's go, boo. Okay, let's just go, let's go. Yes, I love these. These things right here. Oh, and they even have the big sizes too. Flaming hot. And the regular. These white cheddar ones are so good. Oh, they had this last year. I actually got it last year. These have both the bags inside the tin. Yum. To go with your pumpkin spice latte in the morning, there is a bunch of pumpkin-y breakfast items. I got these Thomas English muffins last week and they are so good. And of course, you got some classic Halloween cereals out. Ooh, check out this area. I'm seeing a ton of nice like decorating supplies for your cupcakes or your cookies. Tons of different sprinkles, really fun, and some little box sets too for making desserts. Can't spell fall without some flannel, right? These are pretty nice feeling flannels, actually. I quite like them. They're pretty cute. These actually feel super soft. Perfect fall colors. Okay, I'm heading over to the beauty section and I spotted the Lime Crime Unicorn Hair. These are semi-permanent dyes. If you're looking to change up your color this season, they are now available at Walmart, which is pretty cool. Okay, yay, an actual Halloween makeup display that's not just like cheap Halloween makeup, you know. These Milani satin mattes are amazing. I have the shade Leather. It is such a beautiful matte black, and you also have the little black lipstick that they have over here in Smoke. Haven't tried that though. But, I mean, the formula from Milani is always really good. I do like this red as well if you're doing a fun little Halloween look that requires that. What's this? This is, oh, shimmer spray. Shimmer holographic glitter spray. It has a silver, let's see. Okay, this is for the body. That's a fun little spray. It's a nice option. Then there's those little cheapy cans, you know. There's a gold one too. Then we have some of the glitter lights. I don't love the formula of these little eye lights. This one right here, it's like they're okay, but you have a little set. Yeah, the set's cute, but I don't like the formula. It never dries right and it's creasy. This is a fun little palette. Days of Disco, and then just some other random stuff that they have on this display. I wanted to show you this. This is in the actual Milani display. These lipsticks are so nice, and those shades look perfect for fall. And these are the permanent range of the matte lip creams. I'm telling you, they are so good. This Luxe shade, I think it's this one. This Luxe shade is my favorite year-round nude. I love it. Oh, you guys, these Pro Fusion Blush Hour blushes are so good, and look at these shades that would be just so nice for fall too. I have this one and I love it, and I'm so tempted to add these other ones to my collection. So pretty. No, the moment we've all been waiting for. Well, at least I have. I don't know about you, but I freaking love these kiss nails that I'm wearing. So I wanted to check out the entire display. Oh my goodness, I'll go really slow so you can see some of the nails. Look at these ones. Those are so freaking cute. Oh, okay. I might get this one. Yeah, I might get that one. Look at these. Oh, it's a freaking bats. I love these nails. Here's another shot. Let me see. Let me show you. Let me see at the same time. Oh my goodness. I love the kiss nails. They're such good quality, let me tell you. And the Halloween designs, I'm obsessed. I'm gonna pick one of these too, because I think the pumpkins will be perfect for Thanksgiving. Tempted to get the other one, but I only have so many sets I can do this. Okay, a moment for the lash display. I honestly don't love the quality of the Halloween lashes. They just feel really fake, and I mean, I know they're fake, but like really synthetic. But oh my, look at this limited edition packaging for lash glue. That's funny. I kind of like it. But yeah, just go with the regular lashes. They're a good one. What? Stay away from this glitter one. That'll get all up in your eyes. No thank you. But anyways, yeah, they're fine. But honestly, the regular styles, you can get big ones, and they'll just look better. Okay, it is time to take long, romantic walks down the Halloween aisles together. Okay, shall we? Let's enter the decoration phase of the video. I'm just going to stroll through this area for a minute, so you can see if there's anything, peek and let me know if I need to go back and re-show anything. Oh, I like those gnomes. Those are cute. Full skeleton gnomes. Yeah, there's some cool little things hidden in there. My store was still stocking, so not everything was completely organized, but it's very full. A little bit of Thanksgiving right there. Fun, fun, fun. I'm not quite in that vibe yet. I'm more Halloween right now. Some more, ooh, some glassware over here. That's a fun little thing. Oh, look at this. Okay, I like it. This year, these ones are actually glass. In previous years, they've been plastic. This is really nice quality. And for $4 I'm seeing, that's really nice quality. And they look super rad. Very cool. Ooh, look at this light. Spirally light. Okay, I like that. Color changes. That's pretty rad. $16.98. Pretty cool. I am peeping some really cool inflatables, some Nightmare Before Christmas ones that like look super cool. $35, like not bad for a 6-foot inflatable. Really, oh, I love it. So cool. Lots of options. This year I'm obsessed with all these spinny lights. I've been pushing all these buttons. This is Friday the 13th. Look at how cool that is. That's fun. This one's It. Pennywise. Look at it. That's so cool. Are these projection lights? Let's see. Hocus Pocus, orange, yeah, LED, shadow lights? I don't know. There's a Chucky one, too. Want to play? Okay, there's lots of different ones going on here. Projects onto the wall. $14.99. Oh, whoa, that is freaky. Jason one. Okay, there's lots. Look at that. Ooh, the Nightmare Before Christmas one. That's super cool. I like that. Look at these cute little jack-o'-lanterns. Little pumpkin lantern, pumpkin lights. I love that with Jack. I think spiral is the theme this year. Here's another projection light that is spiral or tunnel or whatever. That's really neat looking. Oh, $16.98. That's good. That's good, baby. Excuse me, look at how cute this purple bat is, a little table ornament while you sit on the tabletop. $8.97. Okay, there's one from Amazon that it's a wall hang. It's more expensive than this one. That's a pretty good deal, but I don't know if I want it on my table, but it's cute. Okay, and if those ones were too spooky for you, they have a Nightmare Before Christmas one. Okay, I'm kind of obsessed with this. And they also have Hocus Pocus. This one is color changing, okay? So I think I'm gonna go with this one. You're coming home with me. Look at this cat. Oh my goodness, $8.98 for this guy. Oh, he's so cute. I need him. Oh, this is an impulse buy for sure. What isn't today? Honestly. Oh, look at these little pumpkin people. Such pumpkin party people. Oh, they're so cute. Look at how freaking cool this candle holder is that I just found. A little tea light you could put in it. That is really cool, and it feels nice, you know? Like, it's just nice. I like it. Okay, I'm totally thinking of my sister for this one. She has like such a sleek, beautiful, modern home, and she has these little wooden beads on her coffee table. And this version to me is like the Halloween version of what she uses. I mean, take off this little dinky pumpkin, and that would be like a really cute little accent piece if you have a more modern home and you just want little splashes of Halloween, you know? I think that's cute. Okay, sometimes I find really cute pieces in the fun costume jewelry at Walmart, and tell me why I'm obsessed with these zero earrings. They are so cute. I love that. But anybody in your life that wants like a little jewelry that's Halloween theme or something for yourself, you know, there's just different styles and fun little one-time use kind of style accessories. I love these zero earrings though. Those are cute. Do I need them? Definitely not. Will they bug me? Oh, my toddler will probably rip it off, but $6. Not bad. And here's the more grown-up version if you prefer. That's some cute little thing. Ooh, bats. Bats, you say? I like these bats. They're very tangled. Hang on a sec. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, here's a better shot of it. Those are really cute. If my toddler wouldn't rip these out of my ears, I would get them. Okay. Oh my goodness, that was so fun. I love seeing all the Halloween things. Let me know if you love that too. Well, I guess that's why you're watching this, right? You want to see all the Halloween things with me. Okay, so let me show you my haul. I went with the Hocus Pocus one because it does all the colors. I don't love like the little caricatures necessarily that they're doing of the witches, the Hocus Pocus, the Sanderson sisters, but I will do it. I like all the like logos and like, not logos, but just little symbols and stuff. Hope that's not flashing the camera weird. And I like that this color changes. Overall, I like this vibe is what I'm trying to say. Super cute. I'm gonna look online and see if there's a Nightmare Before Christmas one that color changes though. I know black and white like makes sense for Nightmare Before Christmas, but I was just thinking like, I feel like if I'm doing this during the daytime, you'll be able to see the colors on the wall, whereas Nightmare Before Christmas one, you won't. I don't know. Might be overthinking it. Maybe I'll still get the Night Before Christmas one so you can kind of see it during the day. It's pretty bright in here. Oh, it's still showing up. I didn't even realize it says Happy Halloween on it. That's a cool little touch. Ooh. Wow. Ooh, that's pretty good. That's nighttime. That's lighting all up. Looks awesome. Those tend to sell out pretty fast. I've noticed like every year I always say, oh, I'm gonna go get that. I'm gonna get that for the lighting products. And then I go back to buy them and like the racks are bare beginning of October. So get it while we're getting these hot. Of course, the first thing I purchased was the first thing I saw was the Cheetos Bag of Bones. I seriously love these. And last year I want to say they only had this white cheddar flavor, at least at my Walmart, in the big old tins that I showed you, which, listen, hold on. If you love Cheetos, like you gotta get these. Oh my goodness. The tin has Flaming Hot, which I like Flaming Hot, but I don't know. I love these so much. I don't need the Flaming Hot. This is so weird, but it's something about like the texture too of these. Like this just fits right in my mouth. Listen, if you know, you know, and if you don't know and you like Cheetos or white cheddar flavor, then go get this bag and then you'll know what I'm talking about. Also, you can like piece it together like a little skeleton puzzle. See? Bag of bones. My daughter has some with them too. Like a snack, and it's interactive. Yay! Ooh. I couldn't wait to film this part of the haul because I just wanted to rip those open. Not that I couldn't rip it open, but you guys, I needed that flavor. Oh, so good. I also got the little kitty, like I showed you. I might go back and get the little pumpkin people because they're so cute, but $8.98. I feel like I saw stuff like this at Michael's the last couple years for way more than that. So this was a good deal and it's so cute and I'm gonna put her up now. I gotta think of a name for little kitters right there. Adorable. I love Halloween. It's freaking bats. I love that little girl. Oh, girl. Some baby snacks. So a loofah. Waited on all the other Halloween stuff, but I got lots of ideas. And then for nails, these are the 3 sets of nails that I picked out from Kiss Nails. So this one, it's kind of like Beetlejuice-esque with the little green mummy eyes. Well, I mean, it's a mummy, but like it has the Beetlejuice vibe with the green and the black and the stripes. So I really like those. I'll be doing these closer to Halloween. Honestly, I just got this set because I just liked it. It's kind of like witchy and cool. And I probably will do these in like February or something. It doesn't have to necessarily be holiday. Love that. And then these, like I talked about, are perfect for Thanksgiving. So I went with the cute little pumpkin ones because that is not just Halloween. Those are so cute. Yes, these actually do glow in the dark. This is my 2nd year wearing the Kiss nails for Halloween. I wear their regular nails year round. I love the Kiss brand. Seriously, stay away from the other brands like Ardell and stuff. Those ones just get ripped to shreds within a couple days. These ones stay on. These ghost ones have been on my nails for 5 days now. I did glue also to enhance the stickiness. These ones you have to glue. The Impress brand, it comes with like little stickies attached to it, which are fine for the weekend, but if you want to extend your wear, glue them also. But I love that. So exciting. Thank you so much for joining me today and coming and shopping the aisles of Walmart for Halloween stuff with me for here in the year of 2022, whatever it is. Subscribe if you want to see more beauty things from me and more shop with me's, and I will see you guys later. Okay, bye.